Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful and very attractive Shiva idol using paper quilling strips. Yes, this is completely paper made and handmade. Isn't it looking very attractive? So without any further delay, let's get started. For this we need some 3 mm strips, some 5 mm strips, some acrylic colors, quilling mold, quilling tool, black color marker, liquid glue, scissor, cardboard and any air dry clay. So I am using Sakura air dry clay. First I will start with the head. For this I am taking 6 strips of brown color and making the hair part. So first make one big tight coil. Secure the end. And using my quilling mold, I am making a dome. In the same way, I have created one more tight coil using 6 strips of blue color. And this time I am opening it using my fingers because we need little deep dome. So that will be the face of Shiva. Add glue inside both the domes and allow it to dry. Now I will join both the domes with each other. So face is ready. Now I have created this body parts using 5 mm blue color strip. I have joined 9 strips for this dome and the smaller dome is created using 9 strips of 3 mm. So I am joining both the domes again. Now I am making the neck. For this I am taking half strip of 3 mm blue color and just making a ring. Now joining neck with the body, and on this I will add the face. So this is done. Now I have created one more dome using 8 strips of 5 mm and I am adding this dome in the bottom. Now to create mountain we need some cardboard pieces. So this piece measures 6 by 6 centimeters and we will be needed 4 cardboard pieces. This measures 6 by 4.5 by 8 centimeters. So it should look like this and we need total 4 pieces of same size. So now we will join all pieces together using some paper strip connectors. I am using newspaper as a connector because I will cover this whole piece using clay. So complete this. So after joining all the part, it will look like this. Now I have just flattened some clay using my pipe, and now I am adding glue on this base, and I will cover the whole part using this roti of clay. Smooth it very well. You can also use little water. This is air dry clay and this is very light in weight, and it's very nice and very useful clay I have ever used. So this is done. Now I'm making some texture on this to give it a mountain look. I'm using my tweezer. Now I will show you how to create hands. For this, I am taking one strip of 5 mm and making one cone. Using my pencil, I am making a cone. Tap the bottom little bit, and this is done. Add glue inside this, and in the same way I have already created 2 cones. So I will join both the cones with each other to give bended hand look. Now to create palm, I am taking 1.5 strip of 3 mm blue color and making tight teardrop shape. And now I am connecting the palm with the hands. Like this, so hands are ready. Now I will connect both the hands. Hold it for some time and allow it to dry. Now I will show you how to create leg. For this, I have already created this pipe using 3 strips of yellow color 5 mm and this dome using 3 strips of 3 mm. I have bended this cone little bit. In the same way I have already created one more leg. Now I am extending this leg from bottom using 2 strips of cone. This is a 5 mm blue color strip. Now I will connect the body on top of mountain. And now I am adding legs. Now I am connecting the blue cone part. Now I am taking little mixture of glue and water and some pieces of tissue paper, and I will apply these pieces to cover the lower part using these tissue. So here I am doing the paper mache technique to cover this dress part. cover the whole legs. So I have applied 2 to 3 layers of tissue and also added this on the shoulder, and I have added the foot, which is created using 3 strips of 3 mm and created tight teardrop shape. Now I will color the dress using yellow ochre shade. This is an acrylic color. So this is done, and isn't it looking beautiful? Now I will show you how to create hairs. For this I am taking 1/6 strip of brown color and just rolling it like this. In the same way I have created lots of hairs. Now start adding the hairs to cover whole head like this. So this is done. Now I have created one dome using 3 strips of 3 mm brown color, and I am adding this dome on top of the hairs. That will be the juda, like this. I have added the Rudraksh mala using ball chains. I have just colored brown acrylic color to create a Rudraksh mala and added this nose, which is simply 2 mm tight teardrop shape, and also I have added the ears. Now I will show you how to create snake. So I have added little brown color with my clay, and I am just rolling it and shaping it like a snake, like this. Add little glue and connect it with the neck. Like this. So this is ready. I have added some features using black marker as eyes and added red color smile using red paper, and this texture using black marker to create a tiger print, and also I have shaded little blue to give Himalaya look, and this stick is made using brown color paper. This is simple pipe. Added the trishul, which is hand cut using golden paper, and this damru are simply 2 dome shapes which are made using 3 strips of light brown color. I have added one white paper on both the sides and created black color circle in the center, and also I have added the small moon or chandrama using silver color paper. So these are very minute details you can add at your own. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. I am sure you will try this very soon. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.